Hi, I'm Tim Redmond, and I'm so excited to present to you the Power to Create book. It's a book I wrote based on traveling all over the world and coaching, consulting, all kinds of people from different backgrounds. As I've looked into the eyes of the people that I begin to interface with, I've seen etched in their eyes anxiety, a sense of overwhelm, this busy franticness. I can see a relentless demand on their schedule, and people seem like they're defeated or they're overwhelmed and they're not living their purpose. And I wrote this book to wake up and unleash this powerful gift that you've got on the inside of this power to create. It will transform the way you look at challenges, the way you look at difficult situations and even difficult people. To create a transformation, to move you from believing the lies of scarcity, even in the subtle ways that end up sabotaging your destiny, to bringing you into the truths of abundance and living life with a high level of productivity and purpose. I want to invite you to journey through these pages with me and to experience your own transformation that you can unleash this powerful gift that you've got for the world around you.